Children, today we will start chapter 5, that is circle and its element. Circle. We know that this is known as a circle. If I take a 2-point, here A, here B and another point as C. Now AB is called a arc. What? ARC. You can write it AB at the top over here, that is AB arc. Then if you want to say BC, that is BC arc. From B to point C on the circumference, what if anything is there, then we can mention it at arc BC. If you want to say AC, then we can write it as arc AC. Is it clear? Arc. Now major arc and minor arc. If a circle is there, in that you have to say major and minor. If A is here, B is here and C is here. If you will say major, then ABC, arc ABC, because it is covering more distance, it is covering more circumference, it is covering more perimeter. If you want to say minor, you can say arc AB. If you want to say another, it is arc AC. Major means maximum distance cover, minor means less distance cover. Now the next, if in a same base two triangles are on the same arc, if the two angles are on a same arc, from B and C you can see two angles are there, then these two angles are equal. The reason is angle inscribed in the same arc of a circle are equal. Angle inscribed in the same arc of a circle are equal. Now see this. This is a circle and a figure is there. Now if anyone says what is the sum of C and angle E, we can say that angle AEB, angle AEB plus angle ACB equal 180 degree. What is the reason? The sum of angle subtended on both sides of a chord is 180 degree. What is the reason? The sum of the angles subtended on both sides of a chord is 180 degree. This chord one angle and another chord with the same opposite, it is 180 degree. The next, the angle in a semicircle is right angle. See, it is a circle. From the center you have drawn a line and in the another side a triangle is formed. Then this angle is 90 degree. The theorem is the angle in a semicircle is right angle. It may be like this figure also. It is also in a semicircle. So the angle in a semicircle is of right angle. Now say it very carefully. Till you will learn maths, this will follow you. In a circle, two angles are formed. One at the center, one at the circumference. If we have to find the center angle, then it is double the value of the other angle. What is the theorem? The angle at the center, subtended from the any arc, it may be over here also, it may be over here also. Any arc is double the angle subtended at the remaining arc. Again I am repeating, the angle at the center subtended from an arc is double the angle subtended at the remaining arc. Now you see, same triangle is made, but here the center is given. We have to find the far angle. And center is given. Then it is half. When we have to find the center, it is double. When you have to find the far, that is half. What is the theorem of this second? The angle inscribed by an arc in any point on the remaining segment of a circle is half the angle subtended at the center by the same arc. Is it clear, both the theorem? This is theorem 1, this is theorem 2. When we have to find the center angle and the far angle is given of any arc, then it is double. When a center angle is given, we have to find a far angle, then it is half. If you divide, it will be 50. Is it clear? And if you multiply, it is 100. Just check, it is same coming. It will come 100, this will come 50. Vice versa theorem. Is it clear to all of you? If a circle and a line is touched to the circumference, this is called a chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. It may be any form. In class 6 we have learned diameter is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. In a circle, from two sides of the circumference, if a line touches, is called a chord. It may be any form. It may be any form. Is it clear? Now we will see exercise 5.1. Find out the answer of the question related to the diagram given below. This drawing is given and the 7 questions are there. According to this question, we have to answer it. It is said identify the arc ABC. ABC. You see here center. It is more than the center. More than half of the center. Then it is major arc. Identify the arc BCD. BCD. It is less than half of the center. Then it is minor arc. Name minor angles formed by minor arc AB. AB. Then what are the two angles it is making? ACB and ADC. ADC. Is it clear? Now the next question. On which arc is ACB formed? ACB formed. ABC is formed by minor AB. By minor AB. ABC minor AB. On which arc is CBA formed? CBA formed. That is ADC. Opposite angle we have to say. Then on which arc is angle CBD and CAD formed? CBD and CAD are formed by minor arc CD. By the minor arc CD. Write the name of the angle formed at point D. At point D by the arc. Which are the angle? Angle BDC, BDC, this is the first angle. Then ADB, ADB, this is the second angle. Then ADC, ADC means this full angle. This full angle. Is it clear? We will see exercise 5.2. In the following figure, observe the angle shown in English letters and determine their values without using the protractor. You don't have to use protractor to measure what is the angle. We know this is a circle and it is in the same arc. Just now I gave the theorem. If the angle inscribed in the same arc of a circle are equal, that means this angle A will be 45 degree. Now the second question, X, find the value, and Y you have to find the value. This is also angle formed in the same arc of a circle. That means X and Y both will be 33. X and Y both will be 33. Now, third question. The drawing is given. Angle in the same arc. This is P and the another angle in the same arc. It is 40. Therefore, P equal 40. Now see, this is very important. This is. In this question, you have given, this is fourth. This was the first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth, and this is the fifth one. The fourth one, M equal, N equal. Where is M? Here is M. Then which is the arc? This is the arc. How much it is? 72. M equals 72. Where is N? N is here. Which is the arc? It is the arc. What is this? 57. then n equal 57. The reason for all this are angle inscribed in the same arc of a circle are equal. Now the last question. You have to find the u and v. Where is u? U is here. Then which arc it is? This side arc. What is the next angle measure? That is 93. Now v. Where is the arc? This side is the arc. What is the value? 87. The same reason for all the 5, that is angle inscribed in the same arc of a circle, are equal.